Hello guys, Matthew here from UChat. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to unlaunch your GBM chatbot. For whatever reason, if you want to remove your chatbot from Google Business Messenger, here is how you can do it. Okay, so let me show you the screen. So this is a place that if you ever launched your chatbot, you will see that the agency and the address is all in green, so it's launched. Okay, so if you want to disconnect your chatbot, you can just click the button here, and there is an option called Unlaunch Agent. Okay, so you just click this, and it will ask you that are you sure to request the unlaunch for this agent, and click yes, continue to unlaunch, and then you will receive the notification. As you can see here at the top left, it will say agent unlaunched successfully. So that means that um, the chatbot will be turned off after a few hours. Okay, you can just come back and check after 4 or 6 hours, and after you unlaunch the chatbot, you will able to see that the status of the agent and the location just changed to verified is in blue. Okay, and if you ever want to launch it again, you can just choose launch agent again. And you remember you need to wait for 5 or 6 hours, and then the chatbot will show up again. So this is just a very short video just to show you exactly how you can unlaunch your chatbot. Okay, so if you got any questions, you can leave the comments below. Otherwise, see you in the next live.